Do you have a boat up to 8 metres and want to launch and load your boat with ease? Don't want to get wet feet, tired of slippery ramps? Introducing the Boatloader, the ultimate in launching and loading your boat. Simply back your boat partly down the ramp and remove the safe chain and winch so the boat sits against the boatloader pin. Next, engage the boatloader lever to the launch position on the boatloader. You can now reverse your trailer to your desired depth as per your usual launch. Once on your boat, simply drive forward to disengage the boatloader, to then roll or reverse off the trailer. For loading your boat, make sure the boatloader lever is in the load position on the boatloader prior to reversing your trailer into the water. Next, simply drive your boat onto the trailer until the boatloader engages. You can now pull up the ramp to reattach your safety chain and winch. The Boatloader is easy to install at home with a one-size-fits-all for both fibreglass and aluminium boats. Don't be that person at the boat ramp, get yours today.